Markets are down. Fear is rising. When markets crash, what Buffett and other legend investors did differently. The markets are down. Red everywhere. News channels screaming. Investors panicking. But what if I told you this is exactly when the greatest investors made their fortune? No matter how dark the market seems today, there are countless stories of triumph waiting to be told. Today, we go back in time to discover how Warren Buffett, John Templeton, and Peter Lynch turned market crashes into golden opportunities, and what you can learn from them. Warren Buffett in 2008. In 2008, while the world froze in fear, Warren Buffett did the opposite. Banks were failing. Lehman Brothers had collapsed. The S&P 500 was in freefall. But Buffett stepped in and made a bold move. He invested $5 billion into Goldman Sachs. Why? Because he knew fear creates bargains. And when quality companies get cheap, that's when the brave get wealthy. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. That one decision turned into billions in profit just a few years later. Lesson: stay calm. Know what something is worth. Then act with courage when others run away. John Templeton in World War II. Now let's go back even further, to 1939. The world was at war. Chaos everywhere. While most people hoarded cash, John Templeton did the unthinkable. He bought 100 different stocks, all under $1. These were the most beaten-down companies people had given up on. But Templeton believed the war wouldn't last forever. 8 years later, almost every one of those stocks had skyrocketed. Some multiplied 5x, 10x, even more. That one move made him a legend. Lesson: in chaos, there is opportunity. Believe in the future, even when the present looks scary. Peter Lynch and the power of focus. Peter Lynch managed one of the greatest mutual funds of all time, the Magellan Fund. He returned over 29% annually for 13 years. How? He didn't follow headlines. He followed earnings. He looked for companies he understood. Supermarkets, shoe companies, restaurants. During market crashes, he didn't sell. He bought more of what he believed in. Know what you own and know why you own it. Lesson: stay in your circle of competence. Block the noise. Focus on what you truly understand. What you can do today. Now, you may not have billions, but you have something even more powerful: time. Here's what you can do today. Keep learning. Watch instead of reacting. Stick to quality. Buy companies you believe in. And most of all, stay calm. History rewards patience. Markets always recover. But only those who stayed invested get to enjoy the comeback. Take a deep breath. You are not your portfolio. You are your mindset. This storm too shall pass, and when it does, you'll be wiser, stronger, and more prepared. Remember what the legends taught us. Don't chase. Don't run. Stand steady. Let the market come to you. If this gave you peace or clarity today, like and share it with someone who needs it. And for more stories that bring you timeless wisdom from the world's greatest minds, please do subscribe.